So yun mga farming, no, magtitimbang na naman tayo ng itlog kasi may order. Itong titimbangin natin, yan yan. $64, $60 to $65, large yan, 60 to 65 grams. Ito 65, malabo sa 66, 65, large talaga yan. Ito namang 56 to 59, medium yan, medium dito yan, medium. Ito large 60. Ito namang 50 to 55, small yan, dito yan sa baba. Tapos ito naman 63, 64, large yan. Tapos ito 67, 66 to 70, extra large yan, no? Extra large yan. So timbangin muna natin to at ihatid natin yung order.